Hey, my fruit are under attack. I'm going to show you how to protect your fruit from the birds. That's right. All right, so I'm gonna bring you in close and let you see what is going on and how we're gonna handle it. You know how we're gonna handle it? We are going to harvest all our persimmons. Let's go. All right, look at that, y'all. Daggone birds have been coming by pecking the stuff. And so I know it's time to get it. If the birds want it, it's time for me to take them all. All right, so I just had one bird up here, but hopefully they didn't. I scared it away before it got those. But look at all these persimmons. And I had a lot of them that dropped early the summertime. I didn't know if I was gonna get this many, but I got a good bit. So we're gonna go ahead and take them all down. I wanna show you one thing. All right, so look, it looks dull right here. Now watch. That's just the, I guess, nature trying to protect the fruit. All right, so the birds already know what time it is, and I already did this one. You see the other side right here? So it's time for me to take these off. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, so we got our empty bucket out here, and we're gonna get to work. All right, so I'm gonna see how many I can get. This is always fun and bittersweet because this is the last fruit tree that has fruit on it. So I'm always kind of sad, but I always want to plant these because I know this is late in the season and that's when these are done. And so I want to make sure I have fruit almost all year long. But I'm probably gonna go ahead and get another persimmon tree. I want to see if that graft took. I did a couple of those and I'm not good with grafting or trying to make the cuttings, but we shall see. Hopefully it took. Then that will be a free tree for me. Look at all these persimmons. I don't have to go to the store. I know some of my relatives may want to try them, and co-workers, I already said a couple of them wanted some. So we'll see what we do. This tree is growing and growing and growing, y'all. This is amazing. If you don't grow fruit trees, you gotta do it. You gotta try it. I mean, look at the harvest we getting. This is simply amazing. Now I'm going to have to try to figure out how to save all my peaches. I say that every year because those peaches are so good. These are good too, but those bugs can't get my stuff. And this is the way to stop all the birds from getting it. Go ahead and cut it. Yep, I'm cutting them all. And if you need some good pruners or shears, I'll put it down in the descriptions. These Felcos are no joke. I had these for several years and they still sharp. They ain't nothing like your own produce out your backyard. Look at this. Oh yeah. Now I might need a ladder, but we're gonna see. I don't want to go get it. And I don't know if you can tell, but down here, when you see on the other side, my garden is growing up with weeds. My wood chips are breaking down like crazy. And so, you know, that means I'm gonna have to go ahead and get probably a couple truckloads, which I don't never like doing that, but it gotta be done. Come on, tree. Give me my fruit for the birds come back. And hopefully we don't have a bird to come hit me, because I went to Lowe's yesterday and two birds almost came by and popped me at the same time. They must not like me. All right, come on. Feels like an endless supply. Oh, I don't damage the tree. Let me cut some of that out. And I wasn't coming to do this video, but when I saw that damage right there, and I saw a bird up here getting ready to get at the fruit, I said, uh-oh, I gotta do this video. This is how you protect your fruit. But if you know how to protect your peaches, oh, I got to be gentle. I'm about to bruise those. I keep forgetting. Peaches from that plum cuculio. I thought I had it down, but I didn't get as many peaches as I wanted to. That bug, something wrong. That bug need to go someplace. I'm gonna do some more research, and then I'm gonna try something new, along with whatever the other tactics that I have been using. I mean, these are some nice sizes. Let me bring it up closer so you can see. Man, look at that. Oh man. You gotta get one of these trees if you don't have one. Unless you don't like persimmons. And if you don't like persimmons, get a tree anyway. And so you will have fruit to pick off during this time. And then you can give it away or you can sell it. Oh, and by the way, I have the rabbits are back. The voles are making their holes and everywhere. So I'm going to have to do something about that. I got a breach in my gate that I got to fix. The gate just went, not the gate, but the fence. It just buckled and unsnapped. So number one, I got to protect my garden. Number two, I got to protect my pocket from the HOA. Make sure they don't come hit me up with a fine, but I'm trying to protect the garden. So I got to get that done. I've already seen a rabbit come. We got, the bucket is halfway filled, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Another one. Man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We gonna protect the rest of them. So we got 2 of them. Hopefully there are no more. They got 8 up. I guess I'd be nice and leave the persimmons that the birds are already eating. I'll leave that for them. I think so far it's 2 of them. Might be 3. I can't see the other one. So we gonna go to the other side. All right, so let's move on the other side. We don't have that many on the other side, but I'm gonna let you see what the bucket looks like. Oh, and I got another surprise for you. All right, we're on the other side of the tree. And like I said, I had a lot that fell off during the summer. I'm surprised that I had this many. All right, so I don't know if you can see it, but this was the chili dog method. Let me see me move right here. I don't know if it took. I tried with my peach cherry and they didn't take. But the leaves on those fell off like a while ago, but these are still on. So maybe I'm hoping, I'm thinking that I finally got one to work, but we'll see. I ain't gonna see today though, but I'm just gonna wait and hope. And hopefully I get them before all these birds come back and try to attack me. But they're gonna be mad. They only had got 2 of them. But you know, I'll be nice. I can share 2. They already got it anyway, so. Now if I was vindictive, I'll go ahead and knock it off and put it in the trash can. I'll use it in the compost bin. But I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. Now if they would've got more than 2, oh, I'm doing it. For sure. I'm gonna peck little pieces of it and then mess it all up. No, 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 no. All right, so let me see. Oh, there was one over there, y'all. I'm about to leave it for them. Can't do that. Can't do it. Yeah, y'all help me look now. Y'all help me look. See if I'm missing one or two. I think I just found another. I'm looking for the bucket. The bucket. There we go. Look at that. And I was on that side, y'all. They hiding from me. But we gonna get them. Uh-oh. That's 3, y'all. That's 3. There's another one right here that they got. I can't remember. Did I say if they take 3, I was gonna cut them and throw them in the trash can? The ones that they took. All right. Okay. If they get 4, I'm cutting them off. The persimmons that they damaged, going into the compost bin or going in the trash. If I get another one, that's what's happening. You heard it first from me. I gotta check that one over there and then we'll be done. Wait a minute, there's one up top that I gotta get. Hold on, y'all. All right, so that one's damaged. No, we got a couple more that I gotta get. I'm just gonna cut the branch. Come on. Oh, I was about to say, I thought the birds had me. I was about to take them. I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, I'm back. I was on the other side. I thought I got hit. This right here. And I was like, I don't think that it, but I would just cut that piece off and then I'll go ahead and have fun eating. But those were 3 that got damaged. I thought this was the 4th one. I was about to do my thing. I was about to put them in the compost bin so the birds wouldn't get to eat no more. I probably still should do it, but I won't. All right, so let me show you my surprise and then we'll be good to go. But let me show you the bucket first, y'all, because I got to get in the house, get something to eat because I'm hungry, but I'm gonna eat a whole lot of them. Oh yeah. All right, so look at my harvest. I'm gonna make sure I get another persimmon tree because I want to be harvesting a lot more. But that's good. I ain't gonna be greedy, but I always like harvesting stuff, so let me do it. You couldn't see what I was talking about. Here's the chili dog method right here, and the leaves are still on, so that's a good sign for me. And over here, I know the leaves are about to fall, but that one right there, that's the one I had to take out. All the ones over here, the leaves are falling fast, so those are the ones I was supposed to prune anyway for an open center. I was trying to get free trees, but I don't think it worked out for me. My suggestion, make sure you are keeping your eyes on your fruit trees in your garden. If you see birds or anything like that eating your fruit, that's a sign to let you know that it could be ready and you may need to go ahead and harvest it so you don't have all the damage. If I didn't do that, I could have had, instead of 3 that got damaged, I could have had 15 or all of them that were damaged. So I had to go ahead and make room to go ahead and take it. So that's my 2 cents about it. Make sure you like and subscribe, share the video if you want to help the channel, and I'll see you in the next video right over here or over there. Sometimes you just got to go ahead and get your stuff before the birds get them.